Welcome our special guest, Mr. Surab Bhagat ji, Commissioner Secretary JKSTIC, to the Faculty of Fisheries for today's program. It is the JKSTIC department which has financially supported us for conducting the program.
Our objective basically broadly is that all the research which is happening in the scientific institutions, first objective that has been given by Honorable LG is to end up the siloization of the research. All universities of Kashmir are doing research on the same thing. For instance, during COVID, everybody is trying to make a ventilator. Everybody is trying to make a machine to kill the viruses. What we want is that money spent of the government should be spent in such a manner that there should be original research, and every research should percolate into a nice document. It should go to the society and it should result in some benefit to the Kashmir or Jammu and Kashmir ka jo awam hai, usko uska benefit mile. Second, the requirement that we feel is that there should be a lot of documentation, authentic documentation of the record. We do a lot of good work, but we don't document it specifically. And thirdly, what we want is we want to convert a student of science into an innovator, and eventually from innovator into a startup, and from a startup into a unicorn. That is our basic aim. Now, what we are specifically doing in JNK is we are trying to develop two biotechnology parks. One is coming up in Handwada with the cost of about 46 crores. This biotechnology park will be specifically dedicated to aromatic and medicinal plants, as also issues like the fisheries that we are discussing today. Similarly, a park is coming up in Kathua. Another aspect that we are taking care is we are also bringing up a science city in Lal Mandi, where we'll be in 24 Canal, we will be spending about 30-40 crores, and there we'll have demonstration of various kinds of technology. So I would like SKUAST to participate in bringing up an aquatic park or something like that there. So instead of going for a vendor, we would like the department here to come up with a nice fisheries aquatic park. So our idea is to connect you with the businessmen, so that if you have some idea, see, running after government jobs are going to dry up. Yeah. We are looking for what is called more governance and less government. We are interested in lake conservation. We are interested in lake conservation and waste to energy. The dull weed which is coming out in very large quantity, if any research of that is sponsored, we would like to prevent eutrophication and biomagnification of the dull lake. We would also like that STPs, if they can be made efficient, if we can have some biology based technologies where we use biowealth to clean up the lake, that will be very good. So I would like to tell all of you that we are sponsoring 135 research projects in various universities of JNK, whether it is Kashmir University, SKUAST, whether it is Baba Ghulam Shah Badshah, or almost even some good colleges. So total amount involved is about 14 to 15 crores. Now this research in this university also we have in fact sponsored around 22 odd research programs. I'm sure you are in good hands, and I wish you best of luck.
We have proposed the model system of education which is aligning national education policy with agricultural education. That model we presented and defended in ICR. 74 universities across the country are going to adopt the model your university has proposed to the ICR, to the nation level. So now we are moving way behind. We have come to a level where we are providing the leadership. Same is the case when the Honorable Lieutenant Governor of this UT of Jammu and Kashmir would tell us that we want to just come up with a model of evergreen revolution. It would be an evergreen revolution model. Or Honorable Lieutenant Governor will make him proud, and will make this UT of Jammu and Kashmir proud when we will adopt that model here. We'll make that model a success, and when we will see the other parts of the nation, they are replicating that model. That is the kind of the leadership role we are taking up. We want to make SKUAST Kashmir among the top innovation-led universities of the country, top innovation-led foreign universities. That means whatever you do, whatever you think, there must be an element of innovation into that. So therefore, we are expecting the very high-quality kind of publications from you. What we want now is that our students must take up their startups as companies.
It gives me immense pleasure to be here this afternoon in a good gathering, wherein we have assembled in 2 days workshop on lakes and watershed from exploitation to the conservation. I am glad to know that Department of Science and Technology is conducting such programs in various educational institutions, and recently we have organized this similar type of program in SP College Srinagar. The department is involved in multiple activities in science popularization and other activities like sponsor research extension, as told by worthy Commissioner Secretary to Government Science and Technology Department. I thank all on behalf of Science and Technology Department and for myself that you have invited me and given me the opportunity to speak few words here.
Most of our programs, they are actually supported by state DST, and I'm very thankful for state DST that they are always at our that support, and because of which we are actually able to do these programs.